Hey, so I am going to show you today how to make your own spiced sugars or flavored sugar. I am actually going to do a pumpkin spice sugar and give it away to some people on our team. So what you need is you need some turbinado cane sugar or brown sugar, and then you need your oils that are your vitality oils. So you need cinnamon bark, orange, ginger, nutmeg, and clove are the oils that we're going to use today. So you're going to put a cup of sugar into your bowl. Then we're going to 4 drops of cinnamon, 2, 3, 4, and then you're going to do 2 drops of orange, and then 1 drop of ginger, 2 drops of nutmeg, and 3 drops of clove. And then you're just going to mix it up. It's going to take a couple of minutes to mix up and get it good and saturated throughout the sugar. And then you'll want to store it inside of a glass container because you are using that orange citrus oil. We do not want it to eat through the plastic. So store it in that. And then whenever you want like your coffee flavored pumpkin spice, just sprinkle a little bit over it on your coffee. If you haven't already roasted your pumpkin seeds, that's a good one to put on your pumpkin seeds. Sweet potato casserole, or on your sweet potatoes. Hot tea, if you want to have a hot tea, put a little bit of honey in it and put this in there too. There are endless possibilities of how to use this sugar. Again, we did the pumpkin spice sugar, and there you go. I hope you'll enjoy it.